Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making weird combination of recipe. Go for recipe. Chopped onion 1 cup, ginger garlic paste half tablespoon, saute for 2 minutes. If you want oil you can add oil. I am not using any oil for this. Mutton 250 grams. Salt as per taste. Red chili powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon. I am using fresh turmeric half tablespoon. Grate and add. Mix everything. Saute for 2 minutes. Now add chopped tomatoes 1 cup. Give a nice mix. Water 1 cup. Pressure cook for 4 whistles. Now mutton is tender. Add radish 200 grams. Coconut paste 1/4 cup. Tamarind water 1 cup. Mix everything. Pressure cook for 1 whistle. Now it's ready to serve. Enjoy with the rice. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.